Ciao! Look, I've got a lovely free-range corn-fed chicken and I bought it today and I'm going to be cooking part of it. I will only be doing the thighs, the legs and the wings, and I'll be doing it in a bed of mixed olives and some bacon. A lovely recipe which it's quite rich but absolutely beautiful. I'll start by firstly dividing the chicken into pieces and then we will crack on with the recipe. I find that the best way to divide a chicken is to score with a knife just above the legs like this and like this, so that you are opening it up slightly. Open the legs and with your hand get hold of the breast and pull it. Then go back with the knife and just remove the upper part from the legs. And you have got the legs nicely removed from the rest of the body. The next part is to divide the legs from the rest of the body so that you've got a drumstick and a thigh. You can do this two ways, either with a knife or with a pair of chicken scissors. I'll do both. I'll do the chicken scissors first and find the top of the thigh and or the top of the drumstick I should say, and cut it with your scissors. That is a beautiful drumstick. The other option is to use the knife and just score it until it comes off. You might have to apply a little strength. There it is, second one. So the chicken is dealt with. I have divided into pieces, the two drumsticks, two thighs and wings and a little bit left from the rest of the body. So now it's a matter of getting the rest of the ingredients ready. That easy. I'll show you how to make a batuto, which is a mixture of ingredients that then you chop with a knife. So I've got here some fresh rosemary and 30 grams of lard. I will also be adding a little bit of lemon zest, a few fennel seeds, maybe the equivalent of a level teaspoon, literally a pinch of chili flakes, depending how much you like chili, and a pinch of sage, again optional, but you choose if you like it or not. I will be putting a little in it. And chop everything using your knife. Effectively you are making a batuto. Here, until you get everything mixed together. And place your batuto inside a frying pan and distribute it evenly across the base of the frying pan. And next I will be adding some olives. I'm using a mixture of black and green olives which I keep in olive oil. I'll be putting the equivalent of 4 big tablespoons to cover the entire base, maybe 5. It is a chicken with olives after all. Next is the garlic. In this dish I will be adding a fair amount of garlic. I've got 4 cloves of garlic. It will be cooking for a long time, so do not worry. Just remove the bottom part of the garlic and crush it slightly with all the skin and add it to the olives. Next I will be preparing my chicken. I've got a few slices of bacon, which actually I got 4 slices, which I will be wrapping around the main parts of my chicken, the drumsticks and the thighs. And I will arrange the chicken inside the pan on top of the olives with the bacon facing down. There, it's looking beautiful already. Add just a drizzle, not a lot, of olive oil on top of each piece of chicken, a little salt and some pepper. And it is ready to go on the stove. And here it is on the stove. I have started it on a moderately high temperature to get it going, and I will be adding the equivalent most probably of a quarter of a glass of white wine. This is dry white wine. As soon as the wine and everything start boiling, I will place the lid on. I'm not going to wait for the alcohol to evaporate either. I want to keep everything inside, and I'll turn it on a simmering temperature, maybe something like 4 out of 9, and I'm going to leave it for 1 hour first, and I'll check it, but the cooking time altogether will be 2 hours. So I'll see you in a couple of hours and I'll let you know how it goes. And there it is. 2 hours have gone by and it is ready. I have served it in a nice dish ready for dinner, and I have to say it looks absolutely wonderful and it smells amazing. So I'm really looking forward to it. And you keep turning up when food is ready. Where were you earlier?
I was in the garden, but now I'm back and I'm hungry.
Yes, okay. Well, I'll taste some, and I got the feeling that it's going to be very, very tender. So I'll just have some from this drumstick here. I'll pinch an olive as well. Perfecto. It's lovely. You will enjoy if you make it. The fact that it's cooked for 2 hours has made the chicken very tender, and the flavors from all of the herbs and the garlic, which was 4 cloves of garlic is quite a lot, made a difference. Recommend that if you do what I did, do not cook the breast, just do the legs and the thighs. Keep the breast for something else, much better. Thank you, bye bye, thank you for watching, and hopefully if you make it you enjoy. Ciao!